Yoya.
Gusto niyo daw mag-mask na PM?
Saan? Carmelite? What's that? Dapat may naman nag-gift dalatan eh. A video. What's this? Bigyan na see? You show to auntie. You show auntie. Wow. Wow, hepa. Hepa inside. Oh, this one for me. Big crayons. Yeah, paano yung iba? You get that one that's from Tito Jonathan. You hold that again. You show to daddy. And you show again the rabbit from Tito Daddy.
Oh.
This one from Tita Rowena. Binibili ko yan. Binibili ko yung sabi ko doon sa... Ay, you again your gift na lang ulit. Show na lang ulit your gift sa video.
Hindi mo na kaya kungkulan mo.
Thank you, Jawa China. And Mayo and Nine. And Mason. Ay, to Lucas. From Nino Robbie. Yes, open. Oh, this one again, oh. To Miren from Uncle Jay. Open it now. Open it. Nino Robbie. Open it. Yung kay Ninang Love, nakuha pa yan. Ito kay Ninang Love. Kay Ninang Love. Lagay ko na lang sa isang layer ng hindi pa for because wow, another bag. Alam yata nila. Alam nila. Oh, this one again. From Tito Richard and Tita Nita. Wow, to Lucas. Wow, to Lucas. Wow. Ikaw ang kumuha, Leia, pati yung Lucas. I see Mason, Richard. Oh, you face here, Lucas, you face here. Daddy. Look at Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Labo, bigay ni Brian at Pelo. Lucas, you say hi.
Bakit may regalo ka sa kanila? May regalo ka sa kanila?
Oh, wow. You look. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one all from Tito Tita Lenny and Ossie. Come here, Miren, you have a gift here. Come here kasi. Open this, open. Wait. Miren, this one is a gift pa ka. Wow, Miren, you have a gift. Yes, that's for you. Miren, that's open. Gift, Miren. You know how? Miren! Ba't si Miren na hinapalawa ka na? Miren, kanta ako. Miren?
Saan nilalagay ito? Ganda mo?
Clock ano? Personalized clock. Oh, you're gonna give them? That's the fun. Come here, open na your gift. Ay, open o no? Miren! You? No, you or you? Oh, you open it na. Open na. I see one inside. Oh, this pa. From Richard and Tita Nita. Open, please. Dito. Ang green sa din, eh. Wow, I love it. This one also. Lapit ka lang. This one also. This one also. Open again. That one. Oh, this one also. From Lolo and Yola again. You and Yola. This to Lucas from Kuya Sadie. Ay, Kuya Scott and Ate Sadie.
Bilang yung Detroit.
Lucas. Oh, Mira. This is another gift. Open. Open. It's open. Open. What's inside? Wow. You open it up. Wow. Open. Valerie, another gift. Oh. Akin na. Lenny, mag-milk ka din. Mag-milk ka. Ay, ito din. Wow. Okay, inside. Wait. Masarap.
Three quarter.
9:30 yung mas.
Pogi. Where's the gift of Mason also?
Ay, bigay ni na Lendel, oh. Kung Kuya Jow and Ate Jean.
Thank you.
Na ito for Mason. From Yoyo and Yoya.
Thanks. I'll open later.
Lucas, ano yung
Kailan? Wow, what is that? Show mo Ate Ian.
Yes. Big boy
What is
na
that
ito.
inside?
Sabi niya, big boy
Sa
na.
wallet.
Here.
Ano yung detect?
Umaylimana.
Later, you open pa another gift. Put your
Where's
first
the gift of Yoyo to the girls?
Ito, ma. Oh, this, oh.
Yoyo and Yoya.
Mallory Miren. This is for Miren. This is for Mallory. This.
Wow, from Yoyo and Yoya.
Miren, oh, this party. Okay. Gusto niya may naka-close.
Ah, okay.
Open na, open. Oh. Wow, there's another bag.
Puro bag ka. Tignan mo yung bag niya kaya.
Dapat may malaking cabinet na sila ng bag.
Oo nga, eh, palalagyan
Yung
ko.
gaya nung sa'yo.
Tapos sabi niya, halatang nagkabutik ka, sabi niya gano'n, kasi talagang maayos pa ang butik.
Tignan mo yung bag niya.
Para naman
Wow naman, so cutie!
Parada.
Picture.
Wow! And this is for Miren.
Wow naman. Okay, Miss. Oo, sa Hirmis.
So cute, no? Yung kulay pa.
Talaga?
Thanks, Mom. Yung
Yes.
mga pangbata.
Hirmis. Hirmis sabi niya yung nanay Junisha.
Let's put inside toys.
Yes.
Yes. Wow. And
Put in your room, ha?
yes. More gift you get pa din. Oh, gift pa din. Oh.
Wow.
This one. So, Mary toys. Ay, this for Mason. Oh, this one to
To Lendel.
Mallory from Uncle Sepen.
And then, Minang Gretchen.
Ano binigay ni Albert Chua?
Oh, this to Miren.
Si Albert Chua. Ano yata? Badon sa ni Albert Chua.
Oh, here, oh, open. Miren.
Wow. Wow. May nagin. May nagin na.
Oh, look at Mason Red. Oh,
Wow. Baby drink here.
wow.
Ninel, open. Mine that one. Mine. I like that mine.
Yes. Wow, very nice. Oo, matulirin. From Tito Richard. Ay, Tito Arthur, Tita Rhea. Open mo. Mine.
Look at daddy. Where's daddy?
This is yours pa, open. Look inside. Ay, ba
Lucas, Lucas.
Mali.
May ganda to daddy. Look like this to daddy, oh.
Abi, dito yung
Pogi.
Ano niya, ano ni... Yung maigit na dyan. Ay, ito yung mali.
Mga lakasupot sa madakul.
Well, mga or box.
Madiata. Nasa may katol.
Head pa, meron pa.
Adi Jenny, adi katol. Higit.
Get pa there's the other side. Wait.
What?
This one, oh, from Tito Jonas.
Wow.
Ay, this is from...
Many cars?
This one, oh, from Mallory.
This is the blue
Tito
car.
Jonas.
This is the blue car. Where's the blue car? Where's the color blue?
Ito, bigay yung Tito Arthur.
Please.
Len.
You say please. Yoya.
This one, oh.
Open.
Miren, open na this. Ano
Yay!
Miren. Other one, oh. Miren.
Wow, what color?
Oo nga, Miren.
Yes, very good.
Tito Jonas. Wow, another.
Alam, bigitan niyo.
Makeup ba yan?
Oh, look, oh, Miren. Miren, ano yung inikas-kas na
Close doon, dahil pa. Ito, garating yung mga mo.
Puri sa atablo kita mo.
yung box na ganun ako, pwedeng recycle pag regalo. Ay, Lucas, there's pa your spoon and fork. Cars also. Cars also. Wow. Ay, wag yan. Hindi kita la wrappers, Adi. Kita mo ang baka may sabi mo ni Lucas. Oh, to Mallory from Ate Trina. Open it up. Wow. Put it in your table. Okay, open. Wow, so many. Yung isa nagsusunod. Ayaw nga, buksan yung iba eh. Open. Ay. Wow. That's Cinderella? Yes. So, kay Lucas yun. Wow, so nice. Ay, wow, because it's there. For your shobeda? Okay, put it there lang. Yes, put it. Wow. Let me see, man. Cute. This one. Tumiren from Tapin. Shukali. Wow, bukas lang iba. Look, mommy, she's a bear. Look, mommy, she's a bear. Look at ate. Ay, si ate. I'm a bear. Wow. You post pa. You post to make sure that dahil ito is bata. Wow. Wow. Post. Wacky. Where's the wacky? Yeah. Mallory, this one pa, oh. Wow, so nice. This pa, oh. Kay Lucas and Adi. Wow, so nice. Ma'am. To Jow. Itad mo man, Adi. From Papa and Mama.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Destroy it. Mira niya pag-gift here, oh. Mira niya pag-gift here. Wait, we will remove first, Mama.
Right here like this.
Oh, Tito Jonas gave this, oh. Wow,
Wow,
it's a bag.
so
So pretty. Wow. Eat. Mira, this is your other gift, oh. Me, Mommy, me. I'll open. No.
Let's write your name. Spell Lucas.
This is from Tita Amy. You know na how to write, Lucas? It's a hamburger, yes. That's right.
Yes, it's makeup. I know it's cookie.
Mangilin doon sa kabila.
Cookie.
Later, we open casa for you. Yes, wait lang. We will put also your own so that you can walk. This one. May yung wrapper man dyan, ma? Ito mo, itong isa. Stand up. Eh, stand up ka na. Destroy na ito yung Lucas, ne. Ay. Stand up ka, stand up. Lucas, you get now. Ay. O, this. Hungry ka na. O, okay na dito. What? Yes, for everyone. Wow. That's for Adi Minem. Auntie, I don't grab that. That's for, who's this? Kay Miren. Kay Miren. That's for Miren. Oh, this one, oh, from Lucas to Alessa. Lucas. Open it. Wow, so nice. Okay. Yes, this is. Yes, flower, paper. Wow, so many. This one, oh, give pa ni Ate Riz, ninang Ate Riz.
I'll open that one.
This one, oh, this one, oh.
I'll open that.
This one.
No.
This one, Miren, oh.
I'll open the red one.
Ito ba kay Miren, di pa niya binuksan. Ma, this of gift of Miren. Wow.
Look, me.
Oh, you open it na, ah.
Oh, come, I'll help you. Two of us.
Okay. You pull here, ah, sa other side.
Oh, wow, ayan na. Wow.
Ano to?
It's heavy. Yes, Yuya.
gave this one. Wow, at tumiren. Kay ano ma, kanino galing yan ma? Richard and Nita ba? Oo ma, ito Richard. Oh, wow, this one's yours. Finding Dory. You look, oh. Oh, you look, oh, there's Dory. Who's this? Nino. Oh, wow. Oh, give me Ninong Rafael, oh. Oh, okay. You see? That's for sure. Lukat mo dito yan, para wag maduro. Lukat mo dito. Sandwich lang. Wow! What is it? Another tissue. Oh, butterfly.
You put here, oh. Like that.
Do you like it? I like it. You see, in fact, I love
Letter
it.
is this letter? Letter? Oh. This one, letter?
Oh, very good. Dati ba yun?
Letter?
Maningin mo. Ay, dito pwede pa to. Oh, so good ate. Ang galing na niya. Oh, letter. Very good. May blackboard pa. Oh, galing niya. Nabuksan na ba lahat? Ayan. Tingnan niyo naman yung mga t-shirt niya kung sakto ako. Ate si Mickey. Ay, yes, this is your blanket. I fold on. Oh, this one pa, oh. Ninang Rosie gift, oh. Wow. Wow. Ay, yung pang isa atin kay Lucas po yung... Look at this. Look at this. I will open this. Ay, kunin mo na. Wow. Wow, that's so good. I like to open this, eh. What letter?
Oh, Miren! Sige, ito sa
number?
Sige, tayo.
Wow. Oh. Ninang Rosie gift po. Oh, what is
Oh,
inside?
Maloy!
Ate, is this for...
Oo, lemon
Ay,
din.
magdala ko.
Ha? That's zero. Emo? Wow, what is... Ay! Yung regalo dati. Yung gusto ni Miren, no?
Ay, wow.
Sino nagbigay? Oh my God, dun sa house blessing ni Achi Rose. Ayaw iwan ito ni Miren doon sa kanya. Wow! Eh, one of a kind lang daw to. Ayaw din. Oo. Wow! Achi Rose. Wow, they're not the happy birthday bear. You say thank you to Auntie Rose. You say, you tell her in the telephone. Thank you, Auntie Rose. You tell.
Thank you. Louder.
No, you're not talking. You say thank you.
I love it.
Doon lang sa kanila. Oo, next sa'yo yun. Doon, video mo sila. Wow, so nice. Ay, carry that bear. Dito ka naman. I like to carry that bear. Ay, sorry. That's yours? Who gave you that?
Thank you, ma'am.
Rosie? I like also. Oh, happy birthday! Yay! Gusto na yan. Ah, talaga. Buka ni Rosie Beta. Naku, ano ba kayo bang yan? Sabi niya. Sabi
Sweet
niya.
naman, binigay.
Oo. Binigay na. Ito pa ating Ating at sa pa may isang gift dito. Ay, kanino to? Ay, kanino to? Kay Lendel ba? Okay. Ay, Papa Ma, nasa loob yung card na nakuha. Okay. Papa Ma sabi? Or kay Pen yan? Ay, ito. Uy, huwag kang mawala. Eh, resibo pa. Papa. Ay, ano na yung resibo mo? Kumain ako, hindi ko tinanggal yung tag ng H&M. Ay, okay lang. Okay lang pala yung tag, ma. Palibasa, mahal eh. Pagpura ay tanggalin niya. Itago ng bonggang-bongga.
Wow.
Ganun lang ang mahal niya. Di ba ganyan ang damit ni Isabel Daza? Oh! Nung kinasal siya, o ba, parang...
The first one.
Ay, really?
Well, nagtatas
Dated
Tala, hindi ma'am.
Dated. Babae ka na?
Balita.
Babae na si Windy yan.
Ay, Lucas no.
Meron pa kung minsan mga sumasayaw na lalaki. Ako, guwapo dito. Tapos naabos na gumagana. Ano ka ba talaga? What happened, Windel?
Ano ba talaga?
Ganda yan eh. padala dito. Oo, ma. May si Regina na kukuha ng dalawang long sleeves.
Wow. Nagatuloy pa nagalat eh.
Diba?
So, natin ang girl.
Ah, so I'm boy, girl muna.
Susunod ulit. Gusto ko yung nabibihis. Kaya nga. Chocolate or green.
Sobra na naman sa Ay, video ka guys. Ito si Tumason from Yoyo and Yoya. Grabe, sabi ko, ganito lang ba? Puro pants, sabi ko.
Oo nga, pants or shorts or t-shirt. Polo.
Hat, yung hats ano ba, kay Bruno Mars? Wow, from Yoya. Malaki pa. May ganyan din si Lucas ha. May dinosaur siya, di ba? May dinosaur siya kasi. Yung ano bang kamaliit na yun? Ano naman? Yung lang, sakto lang man. Sakto pa lang. Manilin, no?
Reyes.
I think pwede pa to.
You call man here.
Oo, Mason from Tita Kat. Tita Rowena, di ba meron this for Mason, meron yung vertigo. Meron yung nakikilo din doon lang siya. Di ba palagi ang sayawan? That's his right, palagi ang sayaw-sayawan. That's for Mason. That's right. Iniloloko. Show mo Ate Iya, this for Mason. Sa oray masalsala mo kami.
Here.
I know from Ate Karen and Otoy. Marks and Spencer's na. Di na, magulit ko sa. Nakapila tayo. Oo nga. Ay, oo. Wow, extra strong. Extra strong? Meron yung types na ito from Tito RJ.
Ito sa ears mo.
Ay, kanina yan.
Extra strong na
Diba?
diba? Para sa lalaki ba? Scopstick. Scopstick.
Wow! What's that?
For Mason. Kasi yung nakikita ko, for Mason. So cute naman yan. Because he will travel and travel. Pwede na maglakwat siya. Oh, very good name. Complete na ang family. Pwede na. Look from
That's nice. Mickey Mouse, wow. You press here, oh.
Maris.
Like that, oh.
This to Mason from Ninang Love. This one pa for Mason sa issue. Open it up. Adi na alam yung pa ito, Ana. May bake ma, fruit salad. Kumain pa kayo. Wow! This for Mason. Thank you, Ninang Love. You say outside. You say this.
Shout.
You shout it. Okay. Tulog. To Mason from Tita Lenny and Ossie. Tokwa. Tokwa? Sino si Pwede sabihin mo? To Mason. Who's Tokwa? Wow! Look, it's all up. Diba you have also frozen like this versus Elsa? Wow! It's complete na. No more gift you. Dito kami si Madina dito.
Wow, Mason.
Etoy, Chow and China. From Lenny. Dahil, ano ba di ka patapos dyan? Sa kilay niya. Ipakakilay niya, mapasama niya. This is for Dada. Kasama yung kilay. Wow, we will have it. Wow, it's a dog. Ay, maganda. Very Evelyn, thank you.
Open yung internet.
Ito yung ating table. Picture ko.
No, tomorrow.
Oh, Valerie and Miren from Tita Karen and Tito Otoy. Those are the toys of Luca. Marami. I can see it na, Mine, oh. This is for you, oh. What is it? What is it?
You're counting your cards.
Mine. Mine. Ouch! Sabi ng sakit ng pekpek ko, guys. Ang kawawa.
You say sorry, Yoya.
Oh, this one pa, oh. From Anika and Alexa. Hello. There, you tell there. You shout the gift in the video.
Please. Please.
You sing first. You sing first.
Ah, yes. Oh, you
Oh,
start
play
out
the
to sing
again.
first.
Not ABC. No ABC.
Yes.
Oh, may gift certificate pa ng ano, charity. 100 pesos worth. Sino ba yun? Baby. Marami ng love gift si... I think dito mapay mo.
You give si
Kasya ba sa akin?
Kasha na yun sa'yo.
Darating.
Darating, please.
Darating na
Please,
ito.
Miren.
Open.
Nagpapapayat na ako nun eh.
Please, open.
You show your please to Yoya. You say Yoya.
Parang
You
kasi
say
sa'yo
Yoya.
yan. With for mama and papa and mama.
What's up?
Sabi ko, huwag na ako regaluhan eh. Ganun talaga, huwag na ako regaluhan. Paano? Ayaw mo nang magregaluhan. Paano? 12 months to pay din. Si Joe nga sabi niya, pumili ka na ng allowance kay Tita Sheila. Sabi ko sa akin. Parang wala kasi akong makurso na dami. Hintayin ko kasi kung meron. Kaya sabi ko, cool, huwag mong pilitin pagka hindi mo.
Yaya, oh.
Basta 12 months ha, sabi ko sa akin. Oo nga, sabi ko sa akin. Okay lang po.
Wala yung kiss na si Shope, ah. Yung kiss si Shope. Shote pa, Shote.
Yung kiss pa, si Lucas pa. Si Lucas pa. Eh, si Lucas pa. Si Lucas. Si Lucas pa.
Kiss si Lucas.
Kiss for si Lucas. Kiss for si Lucas. Nakilikili. And hug Lucas. Hug Lucas. And you say, I love you.
I love you, Lucas. Thank you, now. You're welcome.
Ay, thank you, Miren.
Very good, Lucas.
Ano pala sa akin yung order ko to eh. Kay galing kay Love. Merong parang coffee na breastfeeding something. Sabi ko,
Nick, you say auntie, ah.
Auntie Nikki, ano sabi ni ate? Nikki. Nikki. Nikki pa man. Ay, naku, di mo maintindihan niya. Ate, maintindihan ko.
What color is this? Color?
Lady, di mo maintindihan.
Purple. Color brown. I don't like brown.
Patayin ka na magsabi. Ito, Teresa from Tito Lendel and Tito Nikki. Wow! Ganda naman, oh. Oh, very nice. Malaki pa. Very nice, marami siya. Oh, yan, blue ulit. Ibang design lang. Wheel naman, wheel. Yung kanina, monkey.
Eh, mabilis lang yan.
Dalawang sleeves. Kaya, nahirapan ako mag-pair. Kaya no, red, black, gray lang. Okay lang naman.
Bilis lang yan.
Kasi noon, nung binibihisan namin, ang gulo eh. May print na pajama, print na t-shirt. Uy, Jenny, tignan mo nga mabuti to ha, sabi ko nga. Kung minsan naka-pink na pajama. Uy, walang nga ako naka-pink ba? Okay. Papa Pink. Please,
Okay, Lucas, that's bad.
Basta yung mga stroller at saka mga high chair niya. Pink. Ibebenta ko pala.
Oh, Lucas.
Sila ang puso? Ba't naman nagtatago sila, Jenny? Video mo pa sila, Jenny.
Katayan ma'am.
Si Manilin.
They're all obsessed.
Video na rin nasa.
Sikat na daw siya.
Lucas, oh.
Give to Lucas. Okay, open na. Wow, open. You open na, open. This one is for Chimallory. You open na.
Sit down. Yay! This is from Hachimayo. Sit down also.
Oh, you sit down now. You sit down. Miran, this is for me.
Okay, open. Open. Okay, open.
This is your
You face si Daddy, You face Daddy.
Open. Oh, like that. You face si Uncle.
Oh, you open na your gift,
Open.
I will start open. Open. I will help you. This is your gift,
Okay, open.
Oh, this one.
Wow!
What's that?
Who gave you that one?
From Uncle Lendel.
Wow, that's so pretty.
You love it? The unicorn?
Wow.
Mirren.
Wow, you're kissing. Oh, you kiss Uncle Nicky and Uncle Lendel. Come on, you kiss. Come on.
You say thank you.
Say thank you.
There, oh no. There, oh.
Pa-order pa.
Uncle Lendel. Well, yung kiss na si Uncle Nicky.
You like him?
You like that one? So nice. Wow.
Hello.
Oh, this one. That's for Maren. Again, another gift, oh. Wow. May sino ko kasi hindi pa ma-open. Oo nga, di pa na-open yung bukas ko. Wait, ang dami namang dami namang scotch tape. Paano nyo ma-open? Wait, may kasi talukot sa aircon. Patay mo talukot. Give this, Ate Trina gave it.
Wow, oh, this na.
Wow, sibong tayo pa.